tell me you get these new LeBron James soldiers with the Velcro steps. And after a couple of weeks, you got all this hair. You got lint. You got everything stuck in this Velcro. You're going, dude, what did I get here? Why did I get these shoes? Man, it's all messed up. But hey, I found a way to get this stuff off. I can make your shoes look like this. Again. Look at. No lint. No hair. Got it all. From this to this. I'll show you how. If you want to know how many likes can I get, would you like your shoes to get like from this to this? Let me know.